Real estate agents, don't settle for low credit scores for either yourself or your clients. This is Dawn Symington, Mortgage One. Today I want to talk about credit reports and credit scores. So it can be so frustrating and unnerving as you are trying to improve your credit score and to spend hours on the phone with creditors and not get anywhere with your credit can get very frustrating, can make you angry, upset, and it's hours that you'll never get back. At the same time, it is so important that you become the CEO of your life and of your credit. And as you do that, you can help others become the CEO of their lives and of their credit. So advice number one, get a credit report from your trusted loan officer and make sure that you check it at least annually. You'll want to avoid all online credit reports because they're not going to be as accurate as a mortgage-based credit report. And then look through it and find out what you can do to improve your score by getting advice from your loan officer. I can help you with that. And then work to improve your credit score so that you really can capture the best credit score that you have, and you can then teach others how to improve their credit score as well. And the best thing I could say is credit is not poor forever, and having the best credit score definitely earns you the best interest rates and the lowest PMI insurance, the lowest closing costs. So for me, the more I get acclimated with my credit and I keep my score in a really high point, then I can help others do the same. This is Dawn Symington from Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions. Thank you.